chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight. We're chasing the easy life. Easy life.
Hi darlings, so today's video is a beachy get ready with me. I have just got out the shower and I'm going to show you my full skin and makeup routine for tonight. I'm starting off with the L'Occitane Aqua Riotier Moisturizing Mist. This is super hydrating and just great at freshening the skin. And then I'm using my Herbivore Toner. This has got antioxidant rich green tea, soothing aloe vera, so great at calming and balancing the skin. Then I'm going to use my Eve Lom Hydrating Serum. This helps to plump and smooth and it's really easily absorbed as well, so great for before makeup. I'm going to use my Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Cream next. This really helps to reduce any fine lines around the eyes and very nourishing for the skin too. Then, another favourite, this is the Herbivore Pink Cloud Moisturiser. It's got rose water in there, which is naturally high in antioxidants, so very smoothing. And then it's also got aloe in there. And did you know that aloe is very high in salicylic acid, so great at preventing blemishes, which is really good for when you're on holiday. And also white tea, which is youth preserving and helps protect the skin from pigmentation. I'm a big fan. Then I'm using the YSL Instant Moisture Glow Primer. It blurs the skin, has a very smoothing formula, helps with hydration, and just gives you a really lovely luminous base to start off your makeup as well. I actually dropped this in the sea after using it, hence the very sad face right now. Moving on, I'm going to tie my hair up with an Invisibobble. These are just amazing on holiday. Don't snag your hair or anything like that. Using my favourite Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. This is going to be my base. It's very hydrating. It's got naturally derived ingredients which help to replenish the skin, boost radiance, and it's also got SPF 30, which is also very important in the evenings because it's still pretty bright, as you can see, and the coverage is, I'd say, sheer to medium. You don't want anything too heavy on holiday, so this I find is just absolutely perfect. And I'm blending it in with a brush. Then my Laura Mercier concealer. This I'm using under the eyes. It helps to brighten. I do have some serious eye bags going on from all the flying, and I'm smoothing that out with my beauty blender, also popping some around the nose, any areas that need a bit extra coverage. And then my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Concealer. This one's a little bit thicker, so great for any blemishes. I've got a few around the jawline at the moment, so patting it in with my finger first and then using a beauty blender to smooth that out. On the note of blemishes, this tea tree oil from Body Shop is a really good one to keep in your suitcase because it just helps any blemishes go down while you're abroad. Then I'm using my Fresh lip balm, that's the sugar one, and then the Laura Mercier, I think this is called the Candlelight Powder. Also really luminizing. It doesn't totally mattify the skin, but it helps to set down all of those creamy products that I've put on prior. For my bronzer, I'm using this lovely one from the Guerlain Terracotta range. I just think this is a very natural, beautiful complexion colour. Applying that on the cheekbones, any areas the sun would naturally hit the face. As you can see, just very, very natural. I'm using a Benefit, this is a brow brush, and I find the spoolie just extra fluffy and perfect for combing out my lashes, which are looking fabulous because I had the SVS treatment from Nouveau Lashes. And then I'm using my IT Cosmetics brow pencil. It's got the universal taupe shade, so one shade suits everybody, just to fill in the brows. And I'm setting them in place with my Hourglass brow fiber gel. Next, from the Poppy Sauvage collection from Estee Lauder, just swirling my brush around the blush and kind of bronzy shade in there. Again, I find this really natural, super pretty colour. And the Charlotte Tilbury Exaggerize palette is just an absolute favourite at the moment. I'm using this matte brown shade for the base, and then I'm going to go in with a slightly deeper shade, and that will help to create a little bit of definition around the crease area. This just takes me like 20 seconds. I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to eye makeup. Then, to add a bit more definition, I'm just using the Bobbi Brown eye crayon. I use this in place of eyeliner just to add a little bit more intensity. Then this is a Tom Ford, I think this is called the Highlight Duo. I like to use the kind of moony pearlized end, and then I'm blending that in, making it super natural with my beauty blender. It's a very, very subtle highlight, perfect for on holiday. In the daytime, I use that Dior Addict Tattoo that you just saw, but at the moment, I'm going to use these new lip lacquers. They're the plumping lip lacquers, very hydrating, intense colour, give you a real lacquered finish, and very, very long lasting. I think they actually tint the lips, so yeah, the colour lasts all evening. Finishing with another mist of my L'Occitane spray, because you can never have too many sprays when you are in the Maldives. Skin gets super dry. Finishing off with my Chloe Nomad and taking my hair down and letting that dry naturally to finish the look. Here's my outfit of the evening: pink wrap dress, Chloe sunglasses, my favourite straw bag, and that is my look for the evening. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!